Hi friends, today we are unboxing new lens. It is from viltrox. Have a look at it.
Package looking very solid.
And I also provided some packing inside it so it will protect lens from damages. And it's pretty heavy also. So now look at the packing. It looks good and it's and one more thing, it is for Sony mount, FE or E mount both. We can attach it for any cameras. For full frame it is 85 mm, but for crop bodies it is 127 mm. I think it's heavy, quite long. Yes, it has two seals. Let's open the seal now. Let's see what's in the box. A pouch is there, and a user manual, and a warranty card, I think, and silica gel, and some sticker and documentation is there. Okay. A foam also given there. Oh. Pouch is very nice and lens feels so heavy. Let's unwrap it. Yes, it is quite heavy and okay. It's AF 85mm 1.8 Mark II FE. Yes, have a look at it closely. The dot is there, lens mounting dot, and its E mount. Let's open the caps. Oh, look into it. Let's remove cap also. Sorry, lens hood also. It's quite solid. Feels premium as well. It's about 484 grams, I think, and it has minimum focus distance of 0.8 meters. That means 2.62 feet. Let's see how the optics. Everything is okay, but I see some dust particles are inside it. I don't know what are those. Okay, it has USB port also to get any updates in future. Have you spotted those? Okay friends, this is it now. We'll be back soon after with some sample pics. See you soon. Bye.